Imagine this with me. You wake up in the morning and you don't eat right away. Your stomach starts to growl softly. Here's the question. Do you think your body is getting worse, or actually getting better? Most of us were taught that eating regularly means being healthy. Never let yourself feel hungry. But what if that belief is exactly what's making us age faster? Welcome to Learn Lightning, where powerful ideas don't have to take forever. Eating 3 meals a day feels normal today. But historically, humans lived very differently. Our ancestors survived because they knew how to endure hunger. Hunger is not the enemy. It's a repair switch. When food was scarce, the body learned to protect itself, to repair, to survive. That ability still exists, but only if we let it turn on. Pause for a moment. Ask yourself honestly, when was the last time I felt truly hungry and didn't rush to eat? When you're hungry, your body enters survival mode. A powerful gene becomes active called sirtuin, often known as the longevity gene. This gene scans and repairs damage across millions of cells in your body. Youthfulness is not created by products. It's created by timing. Ask yourself, am I afraid of hunger because my body needs food, or because my mind avoids discomfort? Winners use hunger as a tool. They can wait. They choose long-term health. Losers fear short-term discomfort and trade their future for comfort now. Winners ask, is this good for me in the long run? Losers ask, do I want this right now? 3 pillars of healthy longevity. 1. Intentional hunger. Let the body activate repair. 2. Quality over quantity. Eat whole foods. Vegetables whole. Fish whole. Grains whole. 3. Sleep. The golden hours, 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. This is non-negotiable repair time. Write this down or think quietly. If I eat less, but choose better quality, what will change first in my life? You don't have to change overnight. 3 meals right pointing arrow 2 meals. 2 meals right pointing arrow 1 meal. Eat until about 60% full. Let hunger appear. Let your genes do their job. Ask yourself, am I willing to experiment for just 7 days and let my body become smarter? Life always gives us 2 paths, habit or intention. Don't fear hunger if it leads you back to natural vitality. This is Learn Lightning, your shortcut to brilliance.